How to increase transfer limit on MoneyLion application. You cannot manually request for a higher transfer limit on the MoneyLion application, but you can naturally increase your limit by setting up qualifying recurring direct deposit into a RoarMoney account or building a positive transaction history. Because MoneyLion enforces different limits depending on the transfer type, the path to raising those limits varies by feature, such as turbo transfers. Turbo transfers face rigid security caps that cannot be manually bypassed, and its limits are $1,500 maximum per transfer, $1,500 daily, $2,500 weekly, and $3,500 monthly. And in order to optimize it, you need to ensure your RoarMoney balance is sufficient to cover both the transaction and the 2% turbo transfer fee. If you max out these caps, you must wait for the cycle to reset or use standard ACH transfer. However, on the Instacash advances, if you are trying to increase your limits on Instacash advances, MoneyLion caps standard users at $500, but you can scale this up to $1,000 by doing the following things: routing your regular income, using peer boosts, and using complete app promotions, complete consecutive on-time repayments, or app challenges to earn temporary promo pumps. By considering these things, you'll be able to increase transfer limits on MoneyLion application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.